Greetings, Nelson here with another instructional video. As always, these videos are for instructional purposes. Use at your own risk. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a project I worked on last month that utilizes the web RTC technologies. I have, our use case example for building this was we needed a device that could be unattended and we could send or essentially cast a screen to using just a web browser. Everything to be self-hosted on this so a client could come, attach and share a screen and not have to have any installation or anything, just be on the same network. So these two machines, I'm going to log this one in, and I'm using Debian installed on these upcycled Edgegear M4s from the Velvet OS project, hex dump. I'll probably put a link in the description or something, and I'll put a link about the software too. But if we look here, I'm connected to the Firefox network here, and I hope you can see over here, I'm connected to the Firefox network there. I probably need to do some screen casting, capturing type technologies for some of these type demonstrations, but I think you'll get the idea. So on this side, we have cloned the project. We have installed Node.js and WebSocket components, and we have the Node.js running, which is providing secure WebSockets, and also HTTPS, although it just says HTTP there. That's a typo in the code, and we'll fix that. But it is listening. The IP address of this machine is 192.168.199.123. So what we need to do over here, and again, I've added Chromium for our examples today. I'm going to start Chromium. And in a nutshell, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to HTTPS. https://192.168.199.123:8080. So what we have over here, because we're running the WebSockets, I ran into some problems that they really want to be encrypted, and so I went ahead and put everything on one server, one thing. You can read the code about how all that works. But in a nutshell, this machine right here is providing these services on this tab, the WebSocket services and the HTTP services. I'm going to go ahead and fire off Chromium with some special parameters that disable some of the security on this machine. Again, it's just a listening machine, so the flags that we're passing it to allow this technology just to work unattended, totally okay. So it's given us some feedback here. It is connected to the socket server. It is listening. It does have network access to the internet, and that's for some technology to be built in later. Over here on our client machine, we've installed no software. We just have the browser running. I'm going to come here to Advanced, and I am going to accept this certificate. And what the client's doing right now is it is made a connection to the WebSocket server running on this. Again, these are on the same logical, same subnet, okay? This is designed to be a simple casting technology. This is just for demonstration purposes with these upcycled Chromebooks. Now, there's a nice little diagnostic page over here. There's some heartbeat information, what have you going on. But we're going to start sharing right here. And the first thing I'm going to do too, let me create a new tab to go to Files. And let me go to Google. Let me go to YouTube. So a couple of websites open. Don't have the fastest internet where I'm doing my recording at today. And we will search for web RTC technology. See what we have with that. Give somebody some showtime today. Okay. or let's do outdoor wildlife. That'll be fun. Here we go. So we have this tab here. Let's get ready over here. So this is our client. Essentially, this is on this client machine. We're going to start sharing, and we're using this technology, and we're going to get to pick what we want. You can pick a tab, a window, or an entire screen in Linux. So I'm going to pick this outdoor tab. I'm going to do share. Okay. It takes us to the tab, and it started sharing. It takes a couple of seconds to handshake. If you'll notice here, if we come back here, connected and stream is playing. So I come here for the tab that's actually being displayed, and I'm going to hit, let's click this one, we'll watch what this one is here. Oh, nope, let's see. Okay, I just wanted the video to play, that was kind of awkward. Videos. So I'm sharing the tab, here we go.
Switch to Chrome to load your favorite sites fast.
Okay, I'm going to turn the audio off here. Okay. And notice it's over here. There is no audio. Let me see if the audio is on this one. Audio is on. Okay. Tell it no thanks on the premium. Now, if you'll notice here, we're getting the ads and what have you. Let's skip the ads so we get to the wildlife. And now I'm going to come back to our client tab, and I'm going to unmute the audio. I don't know if you can tell that, but it is playing the audio and the video over here, totally unattended. Nothing to install on the client, just correctly configuring the listening device. And I'll go back in just a second and talk about a few things. Like one, in the example, I use the username in this call right here. Notice I've used the username Linux. That's because in my testing and on the project page, I use the username kiosk because I built this also around the kiosk mode. So I just changed the username, a few things, and you need to make sure that that when you try to load this page, that you either have this device with a resolvable name ws-server to be localhost, or you can just modify the code in the HTML listening-chrome.html. So back to our example here. We can do a few things here. Notice if we go full screen here, changes over there. So in a nutshell, just a short video to show you how fantastic the little project is. And I'm going to mute the audio again. There is no audio enabled on this machine. I'll even slide this down in case someone would question that. And I'm going to stop the audio, which is playing over here. So audio, video, nothing to install, using built-in technologies with the WebRTC protocol. This is HTML and JavaScript. So hope you enjoyed the video today. Just a simple example. Probably needs some cleanup in the video, but appreciate you watching.